Hello and welcome to the Help Me Place Quick Start Guide. So I've just imported Help Me Place into a brand new project. This project is using 2020.1.13f1. So first up we can go straight to the examples folder. In here you'll notice there's a Help Me Place with examples loaded prefab already created. So next we'll go ahead into the scenes folder and we'll double click on the Quick Start scene. And you'll notice that that prefab is already in place. You just have to make sure now that we have gizmos enabled, and then we select the Help Me Place prefab and hit enable, and that should be it. You can go ahead then and play around with it without fear of messing with the original prefab. You'll notice as well that if you close this up, you don't get the UI, so you have to make sure that that's always expanded. Gizmos is always on, and you can go ahead and traverse through the system and play about with it that way. There's also, if you hit tab, there's some preloaded maps in this helper section, and each of these is a projector that's just facing down from above, and it's very handy for if you want to try out, say for example, the look at feature. You can create some nice town centers and things like that. There's also a look away from, so if you hit or again, all the hotkeys are just below, and then you can get whatever kind of effect you're going for. Hit tab again, we'll hide them, and yeah, you can just have some fun with it. Thank you for your interest in Help Me Place, and I hope you you find it useful. Thank you. Bye bye.